Hi there, my name is Drona and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing about the best niches to work with for YouTube. Like if you already started your YouTube channel or you are planning to start or you already started and not growing so rapidly, you are in right place. Today we're gonna discuss about some of the best niches, like 15 of them, to work for YouTube. Let's get started. Number 1 for my list is unboxing. Unboxing channels are one of the most popular YouTube videos and people love to watch them. It feels good to see someone unpackaging a product and talking what's inside and discussing about the features. If you go and buy something, don't forget to take a video and show the world what is inside. Number 2 for my list is Tech Gadget Review. Have you ever bought a piece of technology without watching at least tens of review videos or reading article on the internet? Probably not, because when I buy something, I always do a bit of research before I actually buy it. So you can do similar videos with kind of specification and reviews. Number 3 for my list is Lifehacks. So these are of my favorite videos and I can watch them for hours without getting bored. The thing is that I get to learn something which is interesting. And if you make like 5 to 10 life hacks like under 3 to 4 minutes, and you can actually demonstrate that and you can put a bit of tricks how to do those things, being creative, there will be tons of subscriber and views for those kind of videos. It's growing up these days. And number 4 for my list is TubeBuddy. So actually TubeBuddy is a tool for YouTube. If you don't have, please, I recommend you to have it, because it will talk about productivity or video SEO, promotional kind of things, and it gives the data that are valuable for your YouTube channel. And number 5 for my list is fail compilation. Don't judge me, but like whenever I feel a little low, I prefer watching fail compilation videos, which brings a smile to my face. Although I do feel sorry for people, it makes me like laugh, or like maybe how stupid humans can be at that moment. If you are like anything like me, you have to watch hundreds of such fail compilation video till now, or like you might have already watched them, and you can start to make some. Number 6 on my list is health and fitness tips. So you can start up your channel related to health and fitness. Like what's the first place you go to get some health tip or workout plans? Either Google or YouTube these days. But if you need some exercise and workouts, it's better to watch it someone performing rather than written instruction, isn't it? Fitness and health related channels are a huge hit, and if you have a story which can connect viewers, you will be able to stand tall. So if you are too shy to face the camera but good at animation, you can create an animated character performing these activities. So number 7 on my list is world or local news. Yeah, it's not easy to become a VJ or news reader. But for certain things, you may not become a full-time news anchor and doing something else. Starting a news channel where you cover daily or local news is a great chance to follow your passion. You can make your room a studio and get some good lighting condition, and then you can shoot the video. Number 8 for my list is celebrity gossip. So I don't feel proud to say, but celebrity gossip is among the most popular YouTube channels. Is it? Like, we are interested in someone else's life than ours. Fans always want to know what their favorite celebrity is doing and what is wearing, where it's he or she traveling or like mingling, or what is their love affairs and this and that. So you can work with that. Number 9 on my list, people like to create new food or cook new food at home, and then for that they always need recipe and the actual way how to cook that particular food. Like there are like a different continental food. If you want to try to like cook some particular Asian food, like such as momo, so you may need to go and watch how to make momo. Actually, momo is from Nepal. It's very famous Nepalese food. You can actually try. It's very interesting to watch those kind of video, and why not you can start those food videos. And when you go out for restaurant and you can give the review about that restaurant, these kind of videos are very popular. So number 10 is food and restaurant review. On my list is kitchen hacks. Like, we spend a lot of time on kitchen. It is a niched down version of life hacks targeted towards like everyone who spend hours in the kitchen and want to make their life easier. Like, in this YouTube channel, you can recommend some gadgets or tool which makes cutting vegetable easier, or cleaning hacks, or keep the kitchen neat and tidy. Like, if you interested to do so, I recommend to start on this topic. So number 11 in my list is how-to videos. You can create videos, like it will need research, bit of research, but like if you do right thing, there is a vast potential. Like sites like WikiHow are an example of like how to actually perform things. Starting a YouTube channel covering different how to like guides allow you to show some expertise and expand in this niche. You can teach like kids how to draw an apple if you got brilliant idea, and how to tie a tie, and like to women how to wear a wig, or like different continent have their own kind of different things. If you belongs to some particular group of the people, and you can talk about that. And number 12 in my list is prank videos. Like, if you are very creative and not afraid to go to the public and do some funny prank, this is a great opportunity. You can use this up. And I would suggest you to keep the prank harmless and violence free, and don't get caught from police or just complain or anything. This is the goodness. I always watch prank videos on YouTube. And number 13 is makeup and beauty. Are you the go-to person in your group when your plans need makeup done for special occasions, or you just like to apply different beauty products and improve your look? If you are that kind of person, this is a great opportunity for you. You can talk about those beauty products and how to use them, how can you become beautiful using that, and you can be more creative for that particular niche. Number 14 on my list is comic and superhero. Billions of superhero fans spend hours watching movies, reading comic, and discussing with their friends. If you are also same kind of person, then you can start YouTube channel giving information related to the comic superhero movie, loopholes, explaining the whole concept. This is a great niche. Another number 15 niche is travel vlogging. Traveling the world is a dream almost everyone wants to accomplish. And what's the better than earning money while traveling, and your video covers the expenses? That's the great. So when you go somewhere, you can take a video and then you can give a good thumbnail and describe about that place and then what you did. And being creative, you can put extra kind of situation which are interesting for viewers to watch. Those kind of things you can do on that niche. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be covering similar type of interesting subject on my next video. Thank you.